to the Renaissance. We're here to help you learn about humanism.
Yeah, sure, humanism. You call this humanism?
Galileo, Isaac, and myself will be teaching you in this video.
If I've seen further than others, it is standing upon the shoulders of giants.
Isaac, it's okay, Isaac. Not now.
To me, there had never been a higher source of earthly honor or distinction than that connected with advances in science.
Isaac, no.
Anyways, let's get started. Shall we introduce ourselves?
Yeah.
Sure.
Alright. My name is Leonardo da Vinci, and I was born on April 15th, 1452 in Vinci, Italy.
My name is Galileo Galilei. I was born February 15, 1564 in Pisa, Italy.
I'm Sir Isaac Newton, and I was born on January 4th, 1643 in Woolsthorpe by Colsterworth, United Kingdom.
Let's begin this lesson.
To every action there,
It's okay, Isaac.
is always opposed an equal reaction.
Enough, Isaac. Just shut up.
Alright, let's begin this damn lesson. Humanism is the act of respecting human lives and everything living in general.
Calm down, Da Vinci.
Bye.
Humanism was a very important part of the Renaissance. Yeah, I promoted it by teaching education and religion.
Yes, it was. Well, humanism couldn't be as important as the fact that I invented the theory on gravity.
Actually, it was, Isaac. Without humanism, we may have never discovered it. Humanism gave many people the education and skills they needed to accomplish tasks that you have done.
Ah, I see. People began to get their basic knowledge on things like religion and human rights.
No, Isaac. Everyone just has knowledge just in different subjects.
Humanism is a philosophical and ethical stance that emphasizes the value and agency of human beings, individually and collectively, and generally prefers critical thinking and evidence, rationalism, empiricism, over established doctrine or faith, fideism.
Yes, in fact, humanism was so focused on education that it was actually called scholasticism. Scholasticism focused on preparing men to be doctors, lawyers, or professional theologians, and was taught from approved textbooks in logic, natural philosophy, medicine, law, and theology. Now that you know somewhat about humanism, let's talk about how we actually impacted it.
I want to talk first.
Alright?
I played a very important role in the Renaissance. I was the person who found out about space. I was also one of the most famous humanists in the Renaissance. I told people that the Earth revolved around the sun, and that when you drop two things of different weight at the same time, they'll reach the ground same time.
I myself impacted and influenced many artists, including Raphael and Michelangelo with my painting and styles. I also impacted almost everyone, including scientists, with my many inventions. Not to show off or anything, but I made an anemometer, a flying machine, a helicopter, a parachute, a 33-barrel machine gun, an armored car, giant crossbow, a clock, a huge house statue, a robotic knight, scuba gear, a self-propelled cart, a revolving bridge, and, of course, an ideal city.
Nobody cares, Da Vinci.
I think you just need to stop being so jealous.
You want to go there, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, just stop already.
Fine, I'll shut up. Just get on with your insane written.
I did many things better than these two, like inventing and perfecting the theory on gravity and writing the Principia, and those two things alone made an impact on society that is still around today. For example, what do you call it when an apple falls out of your hand? Gravity. And who invented the theory? I did.
Actually, I was the biggest influence. I did much more than...
Oh! I feel stupid. Actually, I was one of the biggest influences to everyone in the Renaissance than you were, because...
Honestly, the both of you are just jealous of my theories and principles.
Uh-huh, sure.
I'm the greatest impact.
Oh, no, I truly am.
Everybody, smarter than all of you.
Okay, I'm the best. End of story. Here's the Renaissance and here's humanism. Goodbye and have a good night.
How about we just stop fighting and get back on track? Now that you know about how we impacted humanism and a little bit about humanism, let's get more in depth. I'm a part of humanism's legacy because today they still have some of my paintings and inventions. I even helped inspire many people in the Renaissance with all my creations. Without me, perhaps, scientists and just average everyday people may not have helped during the Renaissance. Even today, people still use my designs, and many are still inspired by my paintings.
My legacy in humanism is my telescope and proving that the Earth revolves around the sun. That's how I impacted humanism.
My legacy was that the Principia and my theory on gravity is still used today all over the world and will always be used, as gravity is what keeps the planets spinning, the planets orbiting, people on Earth, and everything else.
Thank you for watching Galileo, Isaac, and myself's presentation on the Renaissance. I was legacy because today they still have some of my paintings and inventions. I helped inspire people in the Renaissance with all my creations. Without me, many artists and scientists and just average everyday people may not have helped humanism in the Renaissance. Even today, people still use my designs, and many are still inspired by my paintings.
My legacy in humanism is my telescope and proving that the Earth revolves around the sun. And anyways, that's how I impacted the Renaissance.
My legacy was that the Principia and my theory on gravity is still used today all over the world and will always be used, as gravity is what keeps the planets spinning, the planets orbiting, people on Earth, and everything else.
Thank you for watching this production.